What?
Enough water. It's getting my butt wet.
There's not enough water.
There is, but it's coming up the holes. That water smells like poop.
Gross.
That's a good stick. It's already sharp.
They're gonna pound in, buddy.
Where you want it at?
We're pounding in.
Oh, the gator boy.
Steaks around here. We bought a bunch of them.
There you go. That'll go in there. Other way.
Give me this hand.
I don't know yet because it's not getting pounded in.
Steak, 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 steak. There's our container barn. Right here. Just do one. Roll it. Just like this. Okay, so step, pull up, and then when you get your twist on, do one twist, pull up with it, and then twist. Unless you want to sit down and set them all in place, and then I'll go around and tighten them.
Or I can.
Or so you can.
Dad told me from the beginning, you might want to use the pliers because you're going to be able to get them tighter. And I'm like, oh, I think I'm doing okay without them. And then I thought Finley can just go around and tighten them. But obviously, this works better.
That's working much better for me. But that's taken me till like the fourth
One to
double
figure it
one
out.
that I did to figure out. What's going on over here?
Oh, we're just digging a 4-foot hole.
Oh my gosh. Finley's probably what, 4 foot tall something? 4 foot something?
Like that here. Ready?
Ready?
Whoops, a daisy.
I mean, we're deep enough we hit water.
And what are these?
Concrete farm.
So you put those in the hole or on top of it?
Depends on where you're at the grade. Partly in the hole and the rest of it's sticking out of the hole.
Okay.
This is the tallest one. I have full faith in you, Nick.
No joke, man. Right here. We'll clear it over there.
Why don't you see if you can't borrow somebody else's so yours don't get ruined?
No, I got the crapper one I'm building. You haven't seen it yet.
He calls it the shitster.
It's a 1990 Harley-Davidson shitster.
Instead of
It's a
Sportster.
shitster, Sportster. I can jump it right there. Evil Knievel. I think y'all think I'm joking. I'm gonna try to jump it.
Oh my gosh.
Drake can be my ramp builder.
Don't be hurting yourself.
Oh, that ain't gonna hurt me. The front end didn't blow off. Harley-Davidson shitster.
Beep,
The name of it.
beep. Kids are coming.
Cooler.
Did you put it on off?
Oh, the
You wanna run this thing, Amanda?
I don't know. I gotta go.
You should see underneath your armpits. What?
You wanna run this thing?
Anybody else on the peanut butter? I made Papa the most messiest peanut butter.
Are you okay?
I mean, is there any other way to eat a peanut butter and jelly if it's not messy? That means you didn't put enough crap on it if it's not.
Oh, I put way too much crap on it.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Get on this side. You're on the wrong side.
Well, then so are you.
Pull that little doodaddy. Pull that little doodaddy. Well, yeah, pull better than that.
Does it pull out farther than that?
I'll pull it. Is it on? I'm not even 100% it's on. I can't.
Start.
No, that don't matter. This baby's hood.
Oh,
only-
it is gonna be off, so.
Yeah, there you go. It wasn't
Wait,
on.
can I try?
Oh.
Oh, no, it only runs on run choke. It's backwards.
It wasn't on? I'm
Yeah.
doing.
That's your fault. You didn't check
No.
it.
I didn't know there was an on and off switch.
Pull the thing. You have to pull better than that. Oh, gosh. Just don't try to just, there you go. Get a little rhythm to it.
Man, Mom, Grandma can do this.
Excuse you. This isn't gonna start like turning with my.
He's going to start.
It's gonna start
No,
turning.
I don't think it does. I can't really
You
remember.
have to press
Here.
the thing, don't you?
No.
Let me do it. I'm doing it.
Don't yank it. Get pressure on it. Put pressure on the line. Don't. There. Now just. Now pull.
Do you want my help?
No.
I mean, later this week would be all right, but today would be better.
This thing turns.
You're supposed to hold on to it. No, the other way. We don't need to dig a hole there. That's just where it's holding it up. Bring it out. Put it in that hole. We're just trying to loosen that dirt down there. Stick it in there.
Stick it in there.
In the hole. Now just drill a little bit. Don't break the lines. Not the walls, just down.
What?
Just down. Don't do the walls so much. There you go. Oh, we're out about room.
Trying to get the corner, but it keeps coming out of the corner.
It's hard.
What?
I didn't say anything.
I can't hear a thing.
All right, that's good enough. Pull it out of there. Don't burn yourself on that exhaust. All right, now put it over in the hole and make it go down so it'll stand up. Please. No, hit it a little bit.
What?
Give it a little gas. Hold on to it.
You told me not to dig here.
It'll hold it up. There. That's fine.
Off.
Mm-hmm. I do.
But you came and fixed my boo-boo?
I'm just adding to what you did.
Let it loose, Memphis.
Let me see that armpit again.
No.
Come on, let me see it.
Gross.
Let me see it. This is the homestead. Let me see it. Let's see this.
What it is?
It's dirt.
How? How did it even get there?
This is where the barn's gonna go.
Oh, nice. You just kind of throw it down in there, bud.
You're gonna score this board, but not until I tell you to. Right in the corner. Go.
Okay, so we're getting ready to put the footings in for the base of the containers. So we had to build these rebar things to go down in here so we can pour concrete. This corner, that corner, that corner, and then there will be 8 corners all together. This corner right here too, and back there, because there will be 1 container here, 1 container over there. And my mom and Finley and I put these together, we did a pretty decent job. I don't know. But we still have, we got 3 done today. Rude. What are you doing? That's an inside joke. Don't worry about us. It's gonna fit. They do look way nicer once they're all cleaned up. It's wild.
Ooh, fire ants.
Oh,
They're right there.
they're attacking you? Nice.
Clean them up.
No!
About 785 more to go.
Oh, you mean 7,000?
I think I did 4.
And some of them were tearing. Some of them were tearing down. Oh,
Look at
they.
it.
Did you see?
Take him out. He's stuck in me.
Oh
Oh, he's making a run for it.
no! Get him! Oh, there's one behind him too. Get him!
They're
They're
all
gonna
over,
bite
look,
you.
they're all over my pants.
Oh my
See 'em?
gosh! But brush it off! Brush it off!
I mean,
Did you see my dad's hands?
I'm like used to it at this point. Like
I
it
know,
doesn't
but-
even bother me half the time. What bothers me, but it takes me a while to notice it. Because I mean that's a bad thing.
Yeah,
I've
that's
gotten so used to it.
seems wild. Did you see my dad's hands? It got underneath of his ring finger, and he has blisters.
Yeah, they're all.
Woo, so getting me now.
Spicy boys.
Spicy, look at him.
The spicy boys getting you.
don't
They're
like
probably down in your boot. Oh yeah, they're. No, brush it. Brush.
They got into my pants.
Them spicy boys getting you.
It was in my pants.
Spicy boys in your pants. Biting the
Saucy.
crap out of you. We got all of these poured. 4 corners, 1 container, 4 more, 1 container.